let's do a short positive EFT tapping round to enforce that you are healing. If you've studied anything in this world of, inner work, emotional healing, attracting, helping your body, you might have heard that to feel as though something has happened or feeling gratitude for an experience before it's actually physically in your experience is a very powerful thing. It's not just deluding yourself when you're actually feeling it in your physiology. So let's take a moment to use EFT and this power of our minds and bodies to actually connect to that feeling of, yes, I am healing. Even if you can't see it, even if you can't feel it yet, you can connect to the energy of it. So, side of the hand, I am healing. And I deeply and completely love and accept myself and the fact that I'm healing. I am healing. And I choose to deeply and completely love and honor myself and the fact that I'm healing. I am healing. And I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself, my body, and whatever other energy is contributing to the fact that I am healing. Now through the points. I am healing. I am healing. Healing is natural. And just like so many things, we can't always see it. We don't always know exactly how it's working. But it is happening. The same natural intelligence that's making the sun rise and set, that's making oxygen available, that's making the trees grow outside. We can't always see the growth every day, but there is an enormous power behind it. And that same power lives in me. It runs through me. Even if I don't think perfect thoughts every day, I'm healing. Healing is not a reward I'm given when I do all the steps correctly. Healing is a part of nature. I am part of nature. Healing is a natural phenomenon. And that lives in me. I am healing. Even if I don't always think that I'm doing it right, I'm still healing. I'm open to the possibility that I can't do it wrong, because the healing is coming from a force that is so powerful, so natural, that I couldn't possibly screw it up. That no matter what I think, there is no way that I could ever be deemed unworthy or undeserving, because nature does not discriminate who deserves it or not. I am healing, and I am allowing myself to really take that in, to really accept and absorb that, no matter what my mind might tell me. I am still healing, and I am allowing all of the positive emotions, all of the positive energy associated with the truth that I am healing, to be fully and deeply felt, experienced, and sustained with me throughout the rest of this day or night. Okay, take a nice deep breath. And as you are healing, I hope this helps support you. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for taking care of yourself. And I look forward to seeing you next time.